Yo, make sure you got your paperwork straight. I got Mickey the Truth.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. South Carolina, 803 to be exact. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So
the loudest is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
All right, anything else? All right. Yes.
Are there any issues with jurors that we need to be made aware of, Your Honor?
No, not that I know of. Are there some that you know of?
I'm not sure. Let me look into it, and I'll get back to you in the morning. Your Honor.
Okay. Does everybody want to come to the bench for a minute? Well, not everybody, but somebody. Okay. I don't know if we'll need it or not. But...
Let me talk to the co-defendants counsel, and if there's something I need to raise, I'll bring it up in the morning, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I mean, if y'all know of a potential issue with the juror,
I'm
then
not going to go up to the court with just a rumor.
Court
at this
might
point.
need to know that too, but okay.
Thank you.
All right. We don't know. I mean, he's going to look into it further. Yes, because I'm sure that rumors run rampant. So, okay. We'll all see each other at 8:45.
What's up, Truth Team? Listen, I was done with content for today, actually getting ready to lay it down. And then I just happened to come across YouTube and just to see what was going on. And I came across infamous Sylvia's live from a few hours ago. And it had me to thinking back to that clip. Because after I got off live today, I did continue to watch the trial. And I was wondering, like, why did Doug Weinstein ask about potential juror issues? So check out a clip from infamous Sylvia's live, and then we're going to talk about it.
Somebody sent him a video of me. They sent him a video of me. They sent him a video of me, and according to the deputy, it was supposed a juror sent it. Yeah. A video of me giving nicknames. Giving nicknames. You know, the one I was in the car and I was giving different nicknames, remember? Supposedly they were told not to, but for some strange reason that, because they felt that I was petty. They're not supposed to be looking at, no, they're not, but for some strange reason they were. I'm just gonna take a break for a minute, a mental break.
Listen, when I first saw it, I'm gonna be honest, when I first heard it, I saw a flashback. I think I got PTSD from my whole O-Block federal RICO situation with being removed, being approached about something, dealing with how you're doing your content or whatever. Now, our situations are totally different for sure. But first and foremost, I do want to send some prayers out to infamous Sylvia, because at the end of the day, I mean, we're content creators, YouTubers, bloggers, or whatever, but it takes a toll mentally on you just to get it done and get it done in the way you want to do it. And then when things like this happen, it's mentally draining. I've been there for sure. Okay. I've been on Twitter or X looking at some of the comments. People are saying, oh, it's jury tampering. And I'm like, really? How the fuck? You know, will giving nicknames to jurors be jury tampering? You're not contacting the jurors from what, I'm aware of. You're not making any type of communication with the jurors. For one, the jurors shouldn't have been her ass or his ass on social media to even know you have a nickname, period, right? But, and this is just, of course, my opinion, is nothing wrong with, because trust and believe. If they felt like it was jury tampering, yeah, they wouldn't give her an excuse, oh, you were being petty, so we want you not in the courtroom. Like in my situation, the defense could play this multiple ways, because at the end of the day, right, it's a public trial. That's your constitutional right to have a public trial. They could take a stance on a member of media. Now, y'all got to remember, and this is one of the difference between infamous Sylvia's situation and my situation in the O-Block trial. I was basically just a member of the public that's a blogger. I didn't have any media credentials, anything like that. So, although they attempted to use that as far as a mistrial, from a legal stance, the court was like, we're not recognizing new media as media, per quote unquote, right? However, Miss Sylvia has a Rule 22. She is considered media. So that could cause an issue, a constitution issue, for sure, depending on how the defense plays it, to be honest. Then it's the issue of, why the hell is the juror watching videos? How did a juror come in contact with this video? Did a hater send it to the juror? That's the issue. Like, that's going to have to definitely be looked into. It could potentially cause a mistrial. It's uncertain right now. But I'm pretty sure we're going to get into it in the morning. And that's the reason why I got up, combed my hair down, and got on camera to drop this video, so that y'all can be aware of what potentially will take place in the morning. Because this is a big situation. And it's a big situation because, again, a juror is involved. In my situation, it was a witness. But it had nothing to do with how I was reporting on a case, nothing like that. It was just lies being told. In this situation, a juror complained about a video and a nickname, which, again, how you know the nickname is you? Like, how you know who you are, or whatever, and you can do it. It's no different than saying your juror number 2234, right? They can't release your name or, any personal information. But again, this is just my opinion. We'll see what the court has to say in the morning. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. But again, I just want to say, just for personal experience, I know a lot of people at home just watching, complaining about, oh, they doing too much or whatever. But at the end of the day, I know personally, I don't consider myself a journalist. I'm a blogger. I sit here and I tell my opinion. Not sure really what stance, infamous Sylvia takes. I know on her ex, she refers to herself as a journalist. So, journalists have different rules. So, I can't speak for her, but I just can speak from just being a member of the YouTube content community that covers trials and cases like that. A lot of people, I know recently it was a situation, someone sent her a letter complaining about not liking how she covers things, and I feel like so many people feel so entitled that their opinion and views on how people should do their content is draining, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of information, and if you are on X, a lot of information is provided by Law and Crime themselves. They'll put it on X. Like the whole thing with the juror issues wanting to move and all that was put out by Law and Crime. I'm not even sure what her title, but she put it out on Law and Crime. On X. So, again, it's like people like to pick and choose and, things like that. And it's kind of like draining. So, my, little opinion for or a little piece of advice for Infamous Sylvia is take your break, girl. Like, I had to do it too. I had to take me 6 weeks to, I think it was 2 months really, off after the whole O-Block situation. Take your break. Come back rejuvenated, but at the end of the day, don't let this stop you from, you know, doing what you have a passion for. This is not your first case because, you know, you've been doing this for a while, but just regroup and do it again. Don't let them win, girl. Do not let them win. It's easy to let them win. But, yep, come back and, hey, keep your foot on their necks. With that being said, I'll see y'all in the morning, 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time for Mickey Talks. And you already know we're watching a YSL RICO trial. What will come of it? Will the removal of YouTuber Infamous Sylvia cause the issue in the case? Will the juror be in trouble? Who the fuck is the juror? Like, so many questions. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck you.
Yo, a lot of y'all haven't hit me up about promo. Well, now's your time. As y'all know, my lives be going crazy these days, okay? And with that being said, if you want to feature your Instagram, your YouTube, your business, whatever you got going on during one of my lives, make sure you tap in with me because starting at $50, you can be in one of my lives. With that being said, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot because my slots be filling up fast.
This is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah,
I'm trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come.